Welcome back, and you can see that we've got both hot and cold hooked up here with absolutely no plumbing leaks. So the next thing to do is figure out where your power outlet is to determine where you want to mount your machine. Power outlet is over here, and so we really have plenty of room to install it everywhere, anywhere we want. So I'm going to disconnect that, and I'm just going to mount this little machine there, so that way I don't have to hold it while we're finishing installing it. So that's easy. So now, when I was over there, I got these ready to go and obviously I made that middle piece way too long. You got all kinds of latitude to cut at different lengths. It doesn't have to be a certain size as long as they're, connected. So now this is where the machine is going to hook up here. This piece right here, actually, shorten that one just a little bit. This one actually could be shorter as well. I guess you really don't need to get it ready beforehand because you'll be cutting it and adjusting it. Okay, so there's your little hose deal. And this is just an air relief hose here. So we're going to stick that on the wall. Just, we're going to attach that, get it out of the way here in a little bit to where it just hangs down out of the way. And this is where it goes into the machine, so we've got to install a check valve. So the air is coming from the machine, so that's the flow that you need. So we can attach the hose, bring it over here. So we'll put that check valve maybe right there, and it can, very forgiving, you can put it. Then we need a short piece to just hook into that top one there. So not very long. There we go. So we're all hooked up. I'm just gonna tame these hoses with these little clamp gizmos that you have in your kit. So if we put one we have 4 of them. So 1, 2 per hose will work. So we just kind of peel off that sticker, stick it on the wall. Clamp it down there. I mean, you really don't need another one, but you have one if you want it. Same thing with this. We're just gonna, I mean, it really doesn't matter. It's not real scientific. I don't know how pretty you want to have it lined out there. guess we'll just stick one there. Good as any place, I guess. Really not a right way or a wrong way to anchor your hoses. There you go. You just don't want to have the hoses kink off because you need the gas flow in there. And then we're just going to attach one over here, and we're going to let that hang down there. Because remember, if this one is too short, it's going to whistle, which is annoying. There you go. So all we got to do is plug it in, get a little power to the subject here. I'll route the over here. And we'll okay, so now it's got ozone going, and you can see that this hose is too short. I got to go put the longer one on here or else it's going to whistle. This check valve I had installed backwards, that's why it was whistling. But it's actually injecting ozone gas into both the water lines as the machine fills. And after it stops, the machine will cycle and turn off. But we've got no leaks. We put the silicone yellow washers in here on both ends on the machine and then up here. And we used Teflon tape with a little paste on the back end right before we were tightening that up. And that's a good install.
Get balanced and optimized with the hair analysis program today.